Unleash your creativity with the HUION Kamvas Pro 13, 2.5K, a masterpiece for digital artistry, graphic design, and illustration. It's more than just a graphics tablet, it's a canvas for your technological imagination. The Kamvas Pro 13, 2.5K, features an impressive 2.5K QHD Plus display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, covering 145% of the sRGB color gamut, delivering vibrant and lifelike colors. The anti-glare, fully laminated glass screen not only offers protection but also provides a smooth, paper-like texture for an enhanced drawing experience without any scratchiness. Included with the Kamvas Pro 13, 2.5K, is a foldable stand, weighing 533 grams, with a plastic backplate, rubber feet, and a metal alloy front plate for tablet support. The metal plate features rubber strips and a 1 cm deep rubberized edge lip, ensuring a secure grip for the graphics tablet. This stand can be adjusted to different viewing angles and folds flat for convenience. The tablet itself weighs 1.06 kilograms and measures 1 cm thick by 39 cm wide when connected. The PW517 digital pen, weighing 14.5 grams, is included in the package. It features 2 buttons and a partially rubberized body for a comfortable grip, although it may attract lint and dust over time. The package also contains a 39-gram HUION branded pen holder, which doubles as storage for spare nibs and a tool for nib removal. The pen holder, shaped like a donut, is made of plastic with a rubber ring at the base. It serves as both a pen holder and nib storage. Unlocking the middle section reveals extra pen nibs and a metal ring tool for nib removal. The pen offers precise strokes with over 300 pps report rate and electromagnetic actuation, eliminating the need for batteries and ensuring uninterrupted workflow. The Kamvas Pro 13, 2.5K, features a sleek and slim design reminiscent of a MacBook. It sports a modern space gray metal backplate with rubber feet and a chrome-accented HUION logo. The plastic shortcut buttons offer a satisfying, clicky feel. Additionally, there's a metal button with an adjacent status LED along the edge. The fully laminated IPS screen with anti-glare glass provides an expansive 178-degree ultra-wide viewing angle. The plastic bezel surrounds the screen, while the backplate is crafted from durable aluminum alloy. Setting up the Kamvas Pro 13, 2.5K, is akin to configuring dual monitors. When connected to your computer, it automatically extends your primary screen onto the graphics tablet. Dragging and dropping content from your primary screen to the tablet is all you need to do. Downloading the HUION tablet software allows you to adjust the pen's working area to match the tablet, preventing the pen from registering on your primary screen. The Kamvas Pro 13, 2.5K, is compatible with older computers, including Windows 7 systems. For older desktop tower computers lacking HDMI ports, a DVI to HDMI adapter is required. The HDMI splitter connection links to your computer, and the red USB-A connection can be plugged into an external 10W power supply or the USB-A port on the monitor. The black USB-A connection attaches to your desktop tower computer's USB-A port. This graphics tablet is versatile, supporting Windows, macOS, Linux, and select Android devices. It seamlessly integrates with popular software like Photoshop, Sci, and Illustrator. The package includes essential cables for connectivity, including an HDMI cable, 131 grams, a USB-A cable extender, 43 grams, and USB-C, USB-A cables. The HDMI cable is HUION branded and features a dual-sided USB-C male connector on one end and triple connectors, HDMI, USB-A, USB-A, on the other, with a Y-splitter located 35 cm from the end. 2 inline rubber clips help manage the cable sleeves. In summary, the HUION Kamvas Pro 13, 2.5K, offers an exceptional display, precise pen functionality, ergonomic design, and broad compatibility. While it comes with a higher price tag, it proves to be a valuable investment, especially for dedicated digital artists and professional illustrators.